Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini in Gmail. Open Gmail settings and enable Gemini in the AI or Labs section to activate features immediately. Grant the requested permissions so Gemini can access drafts and assist with composing. Refresh Gmail if suggestions do not appear right away. You can toggle individual tools on or off and control data usage settings in the privacy panel for more tailored assistance. Use Gemini to speed up composing by giving a concise prompt and tone, like professional or casual. Ask Gemini to shorten, expand, or rewrite sentences, summarize threads, or generate subject lines that increase opens. Always verify dates, names, and links the AI inserts to avoid mistakes. If you prefer, request templates for common replies and save them as snippets to reuse during busy days or recurring workflows in Gmail. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty that actually works. They pair well with long workdays spent clearing inboxes and testing AI features. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helped you, consider grabbing a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Gemini's smart reply and suggestion features can save minutes on routine messages, but always personalize responses for clarity and safety. Adjust privacy and data controls to limit training data access and review activity logs if you have compliance needs. For important emails, use draft revisions and compare versions to ensure factual accuracy. Treat AI output as a starting point and apply your judgment to finalize tone, attachments, and recipient lists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.